Welcome back viewers. In today's video, we are going to check out whether we can install the Ubuntu HWE kernels in FunOS. So first of all, let us check whether we can update the system. And during the update, we will also come to know about the different repos that are there. So here you can see all the plucky puffin repos are there. Backports are enabled by default. PPAs are there, so PPA is also enabled. Security updates are there. Restricted components, restricted codec, multiverse, universe, backports are also there. So all the good repos or the repos that should be there are available in FunOS. So with FunOS, we will get access to large number of applications from the Ubuntu repos. And what we will do is, let us first upgrade the system. Let us see what is available in the upgrade. So here you can see 711 MB updates are there. So let us update the system first. So that also it is a good test whether the updates complete properly or not. We have seen in Reno Linux updates always fail. I used multiple ISOs of Reno Linux. The issue was there. I've shown you in my videos. So I think I tried 10-15 times, at least 2-3 times I tried to make videos. Another 5-6 times I tried on my own in private. The updates don't happen. There is some issue and the updates fail to install. Here you can see the speed at which it is accessing the repos. Very good, very fast speed is there. How many packages are there? Let us see. 69 packages are there to upgrade. 57 standard LTS. Yes, you can see here the LTS security updates are available here in FunOS. That's great. And there is some update to the Linux kernel also. You can see Linux firmware is there, update is there. So I think kernel updates also won't be an issue. They will be available as and when kernel updates are available in Ubuntu. You will also get them in FunOS. A big firmware update is there. You can see here 575 MB. So at a time, two updates get downloaded in FunOS. That saves time during the update and upgradation process of the system. So here you can see the generic kernel is available from the Ubuntu repos. It is the default kernel 6.14.0-15 generic. Now Once this update completes, we will try to install the HWE kernel. Just wait for a few moments. This will complete, and then we will try to install the HWE kernel. And also remember that FunOS does not contain snaps. All the packaging is, I think, native, and you can install Appimages. You can install any other format for the packages. Any package format you can use here. Flatpaks also you can install. Appimage is also available. You can install it. You can also install your PPAs from Ubuntu. Any Ubuntu PPA is going to run here also. Okay, so installation is coming now, complete. Now what we will do is we will use the search command to search the HWE kernel. You have to input your sudo password. Here you can see I will just maximize it. You have to that is this. So you have to use the command. I will just show you which kernel to pick. You have to go for the generic HWE. Only 24.04 is available. It looks right now. Where is the 25 ones? So I think right now 25.04 HWE kernels are not available here. Whatever we see, it is from the HWE 24.04. That is the last LTS. If you wait for some more time, I think the HWE 25.04 also will be available. But as of now, only the generic HWE kernels from the 24.04 LTS, that is the last I think LTS, it is there. So here you can see, okay, look, beautiful. I just found it out. It is already there. So the generic HW 24.04, that is the plucky. But why it is called 24.04? It should be 25.0. Okay, but it is there. Even the H kernel is also there. So you can install the H kernel. H kernel is more latest kernel. Real-time kernels are also available. Superb. You can see here real-time kernels are also available. Then you have got some other versions of older versions of HWE kernels. So I think everything is available. All the plucky kernels are available. All the plucky Puffin LTS release kernels are available, and you can install them on your system. And by default, you can see here the HWE 24.04 kernel is already installed. You can see header is there. That means the kernel is also there. I will just show you. It will show it is installed. If you want, I will just show you. Okay. You can see here image. Yes, this is it. This is the kernel that is installed along with the header. This is the header, and this is the main kernel. That's it. And what I was trying to show you, just let me remember. Even you can see NVIDIA kernels are also there. Extra drivers for the NVIDIA kernels. So everything is, all kernels available from Ubuntu are available here also. They are available from the Ubuntu repos. That's it. Some kernels for this VirtualBox also guest is also available. All tools are there. So that's it for today's video. See you in the next video with some more functionality, either from this that is your FunOS, or some more functionality from some other Linux distribution. See you then. Bye bye.